guys, so I'm taking out my braids. I've had them in for about over a month and I've been wearing my wigs, and now I'm taking them out because I want to do a wash and go, and I want to do a length check, and I want to do, you know, like a maintenance, deep conditioner and all that good stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it all out, and then yeah, I'm going to wash it, shampoo it, and I will take you through the whole process because I have to meet somebody tomorrow. I'm going out on a date, so I don't want to wear a wig. I just want to have my hair, present myself how I am, and then see how it goes. But yeah, I'm going to take you through the before, which is now, and the after. So if you're interested in seeing the whole makeover, then keep watching. I'll be right back. I'm going to just finish taking it all out, and then you'll see, and then we're going to go to the next step. Okay, so I have finished taking out all my braids, and this is what I have. This is the back, and I have my measuring tape here, you know, and I'm just gonna see how long it is. The front is definitely longer than the back. So this is 7.5. Really? Oh. No, let me just check again. It looks like it might need a trim anyway, but okay. This is it. Yeah, it's about 7.5 at the most. I thought it would be longer than that, but I guess 7.5 it is. Like almost over 7. So okay, let's do the over here. You know what, I'm gonna be grateful for what I have, and I'm gonna just like be happy. Okay, this is about almost at 6. True say it's not like in its straightest state right now, so I'm just stretching it as far down as I can. Alright, so this is about 6 inches, so 7, 6, and let's do, alright, so now I'm gonna do this part. So this part is about a little bit over 7. Okay. And then let me just do like a random piece like right here. So it's about 6, 7 inches. Holy crap. Grow, grow. Alright, this is to treasure this hair, you know, because my hair does grow, but I have to treasure what I have so it retains. And this is about 7. So let's just say it is about 6.5 to 7 inches. I mean, come on. Why is it taking so long for my hair to grow? This is like average growth is like 6 inches a year, right? And I have like, it's about 1.5 years since I did my big chop. So what is the deal here? Okay. All right. Okay. So my plan is to moisturize and to give my hair the most tender, loving care, I mean, as I can. And 6 months from now, or this time next year, it better be 14 inches long. I swear to God, I expect a full length, like I want it to grow and retain the length to its fullest capacity above average. This is the goal, okay? So, all right. Forward. All right. I'm just going to calm down. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to figure out how the hell I'm gonna grow this hair, and starting by going to shampoo it. I'm going to I have the Kinky Curly leave-in conditioner detangler thingy that I'm gonna put in my hair, and then I'm gonna comb it out ever so gently before I shampoo it. So I will be right back. Okay, this is what I was talking about. It's the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in detangler. So I'm going to use probably the whole thing that I have left to detangle my hair. First I'm going to spray some, I had this Strength and Shine Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, but I put water in it because it was like pretty much all done. So I'm definitely not about to touch my beautiful hair, dry hair, without putting some water in it, because that would be the most stupidest thing to do. So I'm definitely going to make sure that I moisturize or wet it before I start messing with it, because my hair is a thing, and this hair thing that I have needs to be dealt with accordingly. So it is an object that needs to be handled with care and delicacy according to its requirements. So I'm definitely going to do that. And then I'm just going to do this. And that is not enough. So I'm going to keep on applying this. And just watch what I do, because it's probably going to take a minute. So hang in there, guys. Okay, so I'm done combing out my hair, and this is the amount of like shedding that I have experienced. Quite a bit. But you know what, my hair has been like this for a little bit over a month, I think, so quite normal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to shampoo my hair with Shea Moisture. It says, can you see that? Well, if you don't, it says Shea Moisture Moisture Retention Shampoo with sea kelp and argan oil. Yes, so this better be sulfate free. Yeah, no sulfates, no mineral oil, no petroleum, and no. And I always use this Cream of Nature Intense Conditioning Treatment. I will be sleeping with this overnight, and probably mix it with some olive oil, because honestly I need to get more, but I'm just going to use what I got. I'll probably just put in some more of any leave-in conditioner that I have with it, and then sleep it, because I have the regular leave-in conditioner, same brand, and I'll just mix it in together with the olive oil, and I'm just gonna probably do like some big plaits and then sleep with it overnight, wash it out in the morning. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And you know what, I'm done talking. I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna be back. Hi, I'm back. It's now morning time, and I put the leave-in intense deep conditioner from Cream of Nature. I had enough of it, so I didn't need to mix it with anything. I just mixed it with the olive oil, this olive oil intense condition, just the extra virgin olive oil. I mixed that with the intense deep conditioner from Cream of Nature, and I braided my hair up overnight. I slept with a shower cap. I just took off the shower cap and I'm about to wash it out because I want to start my hair growing. It's 8 a.m. and I want it to dry by the time I need to go out. So that's what I'm gonna do. So here I'm just running through the leave-in conditioner from Mixed Chicks. I already put it all throughout my hair. I took a lot more than a dime size. I basically saturated my whole entire head with it. And I'm just going through with this comb. It's like a afro pick with like it's a special kind. And I'm going from the roots to the end, just kind of to further saturate the product throughout all my hair. So that's what I'm doing here. And then after that, I'm gonna probably just air dry or maybe sit under the dryer for a little bit. But yeah, I definitely make sure I saturate that all throughout my hair so that it will define my curls or define my, my afro as much as possible so that it will have some type of shape. My hair is definitely feeling really soft right now. I just got out the shower and I put it on directly while it was soaking wet. Okay, and you want to make sure you shake it out a little bit. Okay, so I am back and I hope that you can see I'm wearing like a dress. It's the full dress is on my Instagram, so if you're interested in seeing that, check it out. But yeah, I put a little bit of makeup on and it's pretty much dry. Yeah, like there's some pieces that are not so dry, but I'm sure by the time I get there, window down, that'll dry up. And yeah, so this probably lasts me for a couple of days, and then I'm gonna try doing a braid out with a hanging bantu knot, see how I like it, and just, yeah, really take care of it. Maybe do another deep conditioner and keep it moisturized. I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store and stock up on some new products because I'm running out. But I really wanted to share the results so that you guys can see how it came out. And if you're interested in seeing more videos from me, hit the subscribe button down below and click that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyhow, yeah, I'm about to head out so I can go on my date. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day or night, and I will see you in the next one.